Yo, y'all, it's G again. I'm going over how to change the signal light on your mirror. I got a 2022 Ram. I think this goes for like the 2018 to 2024. So the first thing you do, you need a suction cup. Good medium size. Small one won't work. I try to be cheap, but the small one ain't work. Put the suction cup on there. Get yourself a trim remover, and both of them pull back and pull, and it pops out. Now be careful, because when it pops out, you got two wires here. All right. Once you take that out, then you got to come here, and you got a couple of screws that hold this top back plate back here. All right. You take out the screws. Once you take out the screws, you use the screwdriver, flathead. You got some clips, show them down right here. You got the clips, you got to bend it down, bend it in, get the clips past the wall. Once you do that, then the back piece should pop out. This one's still holding. Then the back piece should pop out. Once the back piece pops out, it comes out. I don't think there's no other screw holding it. No. Once it pops out, then you gotta unsnap it from here. It's just clips right there. So the clips, you just play around with it, get it to come out a little more. Right there. Clips right there on the bottom. Pull it up. This is out. Once you get that off, now you got to come here, and they got 2 screws right there. You take off those 2 screws, and they got one on the bottom. One on the bottom. Take out the one on the bottom, and you got to use the star bit. All right, one there, one here, one here. Once you get that out, this kind of unsnaps. It's just got some screws, clips to it. You pull it out. Then this got to unclip from here, this right here. Once you unclip it, let me see, you got to go down or up. Pull, be careful, you don't want to break it, it's cheap plastic. Pull from the bottom. Pull. I believe you got to pull down on this, because this goes up. Get the screwdriver. Up or down. Bend it out. Come on now. Come on now. Let's play with it. There we go. Got 1, got 2. Once it comes out, then there's a clip in the back holding it. Just pop it out. These are the clips I was talking about right here. Okay? So this got to go down, and this comes up off of it. Once you do that, you got 2 clips right here. Slide this out, then push it down, and this one comes out. That one comes out. Same thing with this. You got to slide it out first, then push it down, and then it slides out. And that's how you take it off. Now, this just got 2 screws right here that hold your light. Let's get that going. 1, 2. And that's it. This just comes out, and that's how you remove it. Then all you gotta do is put the new one on, line this up, and line the bottom hole up. Just like that. Screw it back, and screw everything back and put the plugs back in. Plain and simple, y'all. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped.